Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. We have a great new feature that people have been waiting for a long time. You can now attach documents, files, photos to a contact. So I'm going to show you how to do it on both the iPad and Portal. So let's go ahead and start with the iPad on the right here. Open up any given contact. You'll see a 6 tab down here on the right. It's super easy. You just click on files. So this would be an example from the iPad. Maybe you took a before or after photo of a window that you're going to be covering, a copy of someone's paid check. It could be even a confirmation from a manufacturer. Any file you'll be able to attach to this contact tab. So I'm going to come right here and hit add file. Here allows you to choose a file in your photos, and then put even notes. You can do an image and also a video, and then you just hit upload. Super easy. Works the same way on the Portal version. I'm going to come over here to contacts, open up myself here, go down to the bottom, and again, here's that 6 tab for files, and it works the same way. Just hit add file. Here you can choose a file on your hard drive and put in some notes and hit upload. So super easy. Just wanted to bring your attention to this new great feature you guys have been asking for. So thanks very much.